Sneaker Fiends! Welcome back to my channel. This is Chris G, aka Fresh Prince of J's. Coming at you with a sneaker pickup, as you can see right here. If you guys are on my page or you guys watch my videos, this is the first video I've made in over, I want to say, 4 or 5 years. The last video was actually my last video for a reason, because after that I sold just about all my Jordans, cashed out for a couple thousand. So here I am today. You know, the game pulled me back in, grabbed me by the shirt and pulled me back in. So here I am today with a new pickup, starting over fresh, guys. So if you guys want to hit that like, comment, subscribe button below, comment, hit that bell button, get those notifications, you know what I'm saying? And come along with me on my journey as I get back my sneaker collection for good. And let me go ahead and throw in some 2 cents here. It was actually my second time selling all my Jordans and cashing out. But guys, I'm here for good. So go ahead and rock with me, hit that subscribe button. Here we go, let's get into this video. Alright guys, it's been a couple years. I'm a little rusty. Forgive me, man, forgive me. But I don't know if unboxing videos are still relevant in 2020. But here we go, I'm gonna go ahead and do one today. This is my first sneaker pickup in 5-6 years. Oh man, I sure do miss it. For all you guys sneakerheads out there who sold your collection, or perhaps maybe just got rid of everything, you guys know the feeling, man. You see Jordans come out, or not particularly Jordans, but it could be any type of shoe, Nike, Adidas, Yeezys. You sell your shoes, and at one point you're like, damn man, I miss it. I miss the adrenaline you get waking up Saturdays and standing in line. In this case nowadays, sneakers app, Nike.com, all kind of websites online. But you know, I miss it, man, and I'm excited to get back into it. So with further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this box here. Go ahead and pull out my trusty knife. Bam! Mr. Switchblade. Not really though. Yeah man, so you know, I missed it, man. I miss the smell of new Jordans. I miss, you know, just buying them, rocking them. Kind of just turned into a house dad nowadays. We're not going to go into further detail on what shoes I was rocking, but let's just say I was a house dad. Let's go ahead and put this knife away here. Open up the box. You can see, got that Nike shoe box in there. Great packaging. Always gotta love when you get extra materials thrown in the box so it's not moving around during transit. So here we go. Got that Nike box. You guys probably already know which retro it is. Get that close up. Size 12. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Size 12. Here we go. Take those first impressions, guys. Man. Oh, I miss the smell of these. Oh man, these are clean, man. And here you have it, Air Jordan 1 OG Royal Toes dead stock. And these are just fire, man. All the ones that have been coming out in the past couple years, man. Oh man, I wish there was a scratch and sniff on this video, because Sneakerheads, you know what I'm talking about. That fresh, brand new smell you get when you unbox your shoes video when I'm crazy. Got your extra shoelaces, got your royal blue shoelaces right here. Let me go ahead and get out the other one. Set the box aside. Fun fact, I'm not really a box guy, shoe box guy. I save them, of course, but I like to put my shoes in, you know, plastic bins or whatnot. So here we go. Air Jordan 1s, Royal Toes, dead stock. My first impression on these shoes is, wow, these are amazing. Just the quality of the shoe, the colors look nice. Just an overall great shoe. Couple tips for you guys. You guys probably already know, but if you don't, especially with ones, go ahead and check for that hourglass booty back there, which we got. I mean, I know they're legit, but just some fun tips. Check the shoe box, make sure the holes are well put. Check that bird logo on the side. Go ahead and check, see if my camera can focus. But check that bird logo on the side. Make sure that R and D right there are touching for a legit check. If you guys want to go ahead and wondering or questioning if your Air Jordan 1 are legit or not. Well, there's 3 little quick steps you guys can do to do so. If you ever do sneaker pickups, trades, meetups, and you want to do a quick legit check, for especially for ones, those are some great tips to check out. The Air Jordan 1 wing logo tells a lot versus authentic and fakes. So just keep that in mind, guys. You can go ahead and Google Air Jordan 1, how to tell if Air Jordan 1s are fake or real. And they have a lot more information on that if you guys are trying to pick up some Air Jordan 1s. But yeah, man, overall, great shoe. I'm happy to get back in the game. This is first pickup, like I said. So if you guys want to go ahead and rock with me, go back on my journey. Just to throw it out there, a couple fun facts. I had over maybe, I want to say 90 pairs, 80, 90 pairs of Jordans. Sold them all. Took a lot out of me. Took a lot, but back, guys. I'm back. Here to grow my channel. Here to grow with you guys. Here to grow my collection. So please, like I said in the beginning of the video, quick video. But like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing legit checks, all kinds of things, unboxings. I know when I used to go on YouTube a couple years ago and watch YouTube videos on shoes and stuff, I love watching unboxing videos, so I'm gonna be doing that a lot. So yeah, man, so just keep that in mind. Another reason to go ahead and subscribe to me. Holla at me. Also, guys, if you want to see some of the sneaker pickups I picked up in the past, a couple years ago before I sold off my collection, please feel free to go check out my videos. I believe I got like maybe 12, 13 videos before I stopped. But this time it's for good, guys. Thanks for the love. Comment how you guys felt about when you picked up your Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, if you did. Comment if you'd like to pick them up. Is it a cop or drop? Let me know, guys. Thanks again. All love. Chris G, aka Fresh Prince of J, signing out. Thanks, guys.